Hey, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Balance, which is one of the weight loss products that Plexus has. Balance is, bottom line, carb control, and it is designed to minimize sugar spikes and reduce the absorption of carbs and sugars and manage glucose levels so that your ups and downs are level. It does this by a couple of products, 4 products I'm going to talk about. The first is a white kidney bean extract, and you know what kidney beans are. The next is common bean extract, and Plexus uses the cranberry bean for that. Look how pretty it is. I have a picture there. And the extract in these beans does something to the enzymes that we have in our body that block starch from accessing the active part of an enzyme. And so, bottom line, that slows the release of glucose into the blood. Glucose is the sugar that goes into the blood and gets stored and causes us problems. All right, Balance also has the cinnamon bark extract, and there's 2 types of cinnamon that I wanted to talk about. First is called Ceylon. That's what you get at the grocery store and you use on your cinnamon toast. The other one, though, is the one that Plexus uses. It's called, you see it, it's the cassia one. And both of these have been studied and found effective for problems related to blood sugar, especially for problems related to diabetes in the lab. But this one is the one that's been studied in human beings, and it's pretty good evidence, that's strong evidence that it balances the endocrine system's response to food. What does that mean? It reduces your blood sugar levels, which is just good. And then there's the mulberry leaf. Mulberry tree makes a really beautiful berry that we actually grow in our family property. It's just delicious. And the leaf extract has special types of nitrogen, really a lot of moraholine, which is also called DNJ. And that is a very interesting thing that inhibits a glucose enzyme in the small intestines so that your simple sugars that you eat don't get turned into the kind of sugar that your body can absorb. So, bottom line, it reduces the absorption of sugar. How do you take Balance? Well, I like Balance so much, I just started taking it myself. And one of the reasons I like it is it's probably the easiest thing to figure out how to take. Very simple, 2 capsules, 20 to 30 minutes before your largest meal. And so, for example, you could drink some Slim if you have some Slim and take the Balance and then set your, timer and for 20 to 30 minutes, fix your dinner. The timer goes off, you know that it's time to eat. It takes a little while for all those chemical reactions to happen in the stomach and in the intestines. So that's why you want to take it before your largest meal. So that's Balance. Thank you for joining me again, and take care of yourself, okay?